This is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Poinsettia Petals bundle from the Poinsettia Place Suite. So here's the bundle right here, Poinsettia Petals, and it's got all these beautiful poinsettia stamps that you can cut out, and you can also cut out with this embossed piece inside as well as the petal as the leaves. And then this piece right here cuts out this poinsettia. Then you've got something to cut out the berries, and then more berries, more tiny poinsettias, and then this little pine branch here as well as sentiments. So it's a really, really nice bundle. It's one of my favorites from the holiday winter catalog. All right, so for this card, I have cut the poinsettia out of the red velvet paper that we have. Isn't that cool? So cool. It's nice and soft. So I'm going to actually use my bone folder to kind of curl these petals up a little bit. You can actually do it with the velvet paper. I tried it and it worked. So I'm gonna do it again. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the leaves. And I'm going to adhere them again with glue dots. So really simple. We've got some old olive and some garden green leaves. And I'm using gold as my accent color. Just get some glue dots going here. Definitely use a lot of glue dots for putting these poinsettias together. So just push that hard so it sticks to the velvet. All right, so now let's put some I keep saying petals, leaves on here. So put a leaf up here. And another one. Okay, and put this in the center. And then I've got some really gorgeous Poinsettia Place Designer Series paper we have here. And what's so fun about this paper is you can use the dies to cut out this flower right here and then the berries right here. But then you've got this other paper. There's the wood green. Love that paper. And then there's this paper, pine cones, holly berries. It's a really pretty paper. So I'm gonna attach this to soft suede card base. Just right in the center here. And then use a dimensional to put this on. And let's put it like this. And then of course we'll do some glue dots for these. We'll do these over here. And then this one. Here. That little piece out, and then grab another glue dot. And then we'll just add one over here. There we go, coming together. And then our last step is to emboss a sentiment on here. So I'm gonna get my little powder. And I've got some gold embossing powder and some Versamark right here. Just gonna put the Versamark over here. And I'm gonna ink up this sentiment, magic and wonder. Just try to center that. Some powder all over this. All right, and then tweezers are good for this. And then we'll move that out of the way and close up the Versamark. Then we'll heat this up. Just gonna hold it in one place until I see the powder start to melt and turn glossy and shiny. And then I'll start to move the heat tool around. There it goes, it's glossy and shiny. Making sure that I get every little bit glossy and shiny. Every little corner, every little word. And then of course we will add some dimensionals to this. There we go. There is our card. I'm offering a class, a card kit for this bundle, and it consists of these 6 cards. And to get this card kit for free, you can place a $30 order by going to my website, elainescreations.net, and placing a $30 order using this November hostess code, then emailing me and letting me know that you would like this Poinsettia Petals card kit for free, and I will send it right out to you. But before you go, I want to show you some cards that I made with this Poinsettia Place bundle. I want to show you this one with vellum that I made. I embossed on the vellum and then I colored on the other side. And that's one thing you can do. I also cut it out of foil. So here's some foil. And then the embossing works really nicely on the foil. I also cut it out of the plush specialty paper, which is really cool. It's part of the suite. So it comes with 3 designs, 2 12x12s of each design. So here's the first design, and you can use the dies to cut out these leaves and berries. They fit perfectly. And then you've got this design right here. And then you've got this poinsettia design that you can cut out as well, that I did for this card right here. And then the last one is my favorite, this pretty card where I cut out the leaves and berries. Oh, and actually there's one more card. I did a slimline card and did watercoloring. This I cased from an artisan member of our design team for Stampin' Up. I hope you've enjoyed learning more about the Poinsettia Petals bundle and the suite as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.